my Bilt Rewards credit card has arrived, so I am updating my Kenya travel credit card strategy. Think of this as an addendum to this video here. I am swapping out my Citi Premier credit card for my Bilt Rewards credit card during my upcoming move to Kenya. I need to simplify what I'm taking with me from clothing to credit cards. My final credit card lineup will be the American Express Platinum Card. I expect to do additional traveling while in Kenya to neighboring countries like Tanzania, Rwanda, Uganda, and if I can swing it, the coast of Mozambique. The beaches of Mozambique, oh my God! The American Express Gold Card. No other card touches the dining benefits of this card. I don't need to repeat it, but you all know your boy loves to eat. The Bilt Rewards Card. Sure, this card has primarily been marketed as the rent card. It's the only card that allows you to pay rent without a transaction fee. It also doesn't have an annual fee. That's a game changer for most people. But it is the rent day perks on the first of every month that are too good to ignore. I get 6x points on dining, so I plan on overeating the first of every month. I also get 4x points on travel. I won't be using this perk because Amex Platinum has me covered. And I get 2x points on everything else, excluding rent. Folks, this card has no foreign transaction fees. These three cards are all I need and greatly exceed the perks of the Citi Premier card. So I'm removing the Citi Premier card from the lineup for this trip. I will also take with me my no foreign fee debit card for when I need to withdraw some Kenyan shillings from an ATM. Of course, my strategy would not be complete without having an M-PESA account. That's just a given. You are not doing it right if you don't have an M-PESA account. That's it, folks. I'm taking you along on this journey to let you know what works and what doesn't work. Let me make the mistakes so you don't have to. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments. Take care and be good to each other.